Well, we're super excited about the facility. There's a renovated indoor pool. The outdoor pool has competitive swim lanes. It's got a very exciting diving board. The entire roof is just a gigantic photovoltaic array. And so we're super excited and just come on down.
The City of Eugene Recreation Department finished a major upgrade to the Echo Hollow pool this summer. Along with building a new pool for competitive swimmers and a kids' play area, the Rec Department and Eugene voters wanted to reduce the facility's carbon footprint.
Part of the energy efficiency changes on the pool were a new heat pump system that's based on electricity. And with the help of EWEB, we were able to get some incentives because of the energy efficiency aspect and the carbon reduction, because we're moving away from a lot of natural gas use. And it's a major reduction in our carbon footprint.
You know, early on in the design process, we were looking at the different ways that you can save carbon within the city's facilities. And it came to light that 50% of carbon emitted by city facilities was from swimming pools. And 50% of that was from Echo Hollow Pool, because of all the energy efficiency improvements that were available there. And you know, combining those energy efficiency improvements with a change in fuel from natural gas to a very efficient electric system, a heat pump chiller, you know, we saved 64% of the carbon at the facility.
Thanks in part to energy efficiency incentives from the Bonneville Power Administration, EWEB can help the city lower its carbon footprint at a low cost to EWEB constituents.
So we've worked with the city on energy efficiency projects for decades, of course, and we have great relationships with the folks over there. You know, when we find a project that we can come together on, then you know, we're able to support it financially and use those energy efficiency dollars from Bonneville Power Administration. I mean, it's a great opportunity to save energy and support that local energy efficient economy.
You know, my role in facilities, we support our organization, and this has been one of the funnest, most exciting projects I've been able to work on, supporting our colleagues in recreation who work so closely with the community. And so it's one of those projects that's fulfilling.